Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. That way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere and you don't end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Edge, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2014. If you need to find where the heated seats relay is located, which relay you need to check, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart on our YouTube channels. We show you how to fix transmissions, engine codes. This channel specifically will be for fuses guys. And we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, if you need help with anything, if you're in the middle of nowhere guys and you need to find, let's say, the fuse on that Ford Edge for a fuel pump, for anti-theft system, alarm system, ignition codes, fuel injectors, anything like that, all you have to do, find the video on our channel, watch it in less than a minute or two, you're back on the road guys. So that's why we make these videos, to save you as much money and time as we can. So for the heated seats, which relay we need to check, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Edge right here. If you own a Ford Edge, that generation guys, there are many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist. We recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Ford Edge. The heated seats relay, what we need to do, open the hood, and when you do that, facing the engine on the right side here guys, you see that's the driver's side, you have the car battery, that's a fuse box. Press these two tabs, open that cover, and you're going to find the fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So for the heated seats now, please guys, make sure to stay till the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. The heated seats have no relay, they're controlled by the BCM. This is the body control module. If you have problems with the heated seats, there are two fuses that are known as relay fuses that you need to check, and also reset codes from the BCM, the body control module. The first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 30 guys. Okay, if you have heated seats, okay, let me show you now where that one is going to be. So this is 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It will be the one right here. Another one that you will need to check now will be, you need to come guys, 1 second, you need to check fuse number 28 as well. 28, okay, will be another one, and it will be that fuse right here. On the inside, now we need to open the driver door, and here under the dash, that's a footwell compartment, parking brake paddle, that's a hood open lever. Behind it on the left side you have a cover, remove it, and you have another fuse box right here. Here we will need to check another fuse, and that's known as fuse number 34 guys. So if you come in that row here, that will be that 10M fuse, that's the one that you will need to check on Ford Edge. So guys, this generation Ford Edge has all kind of different fuses and relays. Fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you live in a small town, if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and as a result we were stuck there for a few days until shipment came. So we'll recommend to keep some of those spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind, so that thing doesn't happen with you. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.